En kasarta netesetai kowendi ng'ony kaitetab kong'onyik eng emoni missing ko eng komaswek chekicham kochang kou chesume eng county nebo Nandi kosubkei ak yautik ak kimugulmet kou boisiet eng museresiek anan kabatisiet eng museresiek kotetei kibagengeitab International Crane Foundation koyai igorta nenaat kou Cranes Festival. Wendi kotuitosi kora ak meng'ikab county nebo Nandi ak sang nebo Nandi asikonet kamanutietab kerib kong'onyik ak keistoegei kabatisietab museresiek ak saosiek kosubkei ak nechome kotebee kong'onyik komaswechotok.
Adan Kabelo ko manager nebo kibagengeit nebo International Crane Foundation eng emetab Kenya nekamwa kole kosubkei ak nokotestai kwo ng'ony kaitetab kong'onyik eng emoni missing ko eng komaswek chekinootin eng county nebo Nandi kochang kong'onyik kole boto chesumei ko notok amune kochob festival nenaat ko Crane Festivals netetat keyai eng tarik 19 ak tarik 20 arawani asikonet biikab county nebo Nandi kamanutietab ribetab kong'onyik.
Now the numbers of grey-crowned cranes have diminished. For the last 35 years, it has gone from 40,000 to less than 10,000. Now, if you ask me how much or how many of those are in Nandi, I can only give you an estimate. It's less than 500 maybe. And we know that this is a county that hosts one of the largest, probably, in this region. So these numbers are very, very, very small. Now, for us to grow these numbers of cranes, we have to do something to the people who are our threat, who are posing as a threat to the cranes, because they have occupied the wetlands where cranes survive. So people are approaching encroaching the wetlands to grow food there. People are encroaching the wetlands to get water there because there are springs. What we are doing as ICF, International Crane Foundation, is to put in strategies that will remove people from those wetlands.
Isaiah Keter ko CC nebo mung'aret eng serikalitab county nebo Nandi ne agenge eng biik cheiwolegei kong'onyot ole kale ine pamoi kong'ony chetenden kelyen amasome chebo rutoi ne kamwa kole tesetai ine eng kotugul kosomei meng'ikab county nebo Nandi korib kong'onyot.
Anendet family nenyonet kiwolegei missing kele kibomoi kong'ony chemasomei chebo rutoi. Acheket ko tiondonyo ko kong'onyot ak kemeche kesom ne missing kerib kong'onyondoni. Kikiligei anyun ko ki county nebo Nandi asikobit ke make sure kele kakinde digital platform sites chechoket chechang chemakat kerutochi sikobit konai biik kole yobwone Nandi ko kakemarketan digitally asikobit konai biik kole yu ak yu ak yu ye suppose korutochi. Kebwa sikobit kinet biik kyok chebo boror kelechi akot ngakikomarikitu mbaronik chekiboti ngakiko missing meng'atosiek ko mat kebwa asikobit keborye ak ketar tiong'ik chekiberurunech kamuktoindet. Kesom biik kyok kelechi oyie ongetoretkei kepreservan tiong'ik chutok. Agenge eng tuguk chemakat keyai ko kibororiet ko yo kakinyoru maik chebo kong'onyot oyie onginet lagok kyok chemengech kelechi mat kerebe kong'onyot maik asikobit kobetyo maik chekekeny atya kotestai kong'ering'itu missing kong'onyik kyok. Onginet biik kyok kora kelechi oyie akot yo kewe kotimaste kotibat discourageni missing kibat wetlands chechoket ko yo kemaste kotibat ko mat keboisie kerichek che chotok kobendi sikobete sobet tiong'ik chutok chu kitinye the statunga ak kong'onyi chuchoket chu.
Eng komostanyi komwa CC nebo mbarenik ak ribetab itonwekab emet eng serikalitab county nebo Nandi Hilary Serem kole tesetai serikalitab county nebo Nandi kwai kit age tugul neimugoksei nebo koro kole kakirib muserosiek koboto ole nyanyawet anan wetlands asikonyor ole menyei kong'onyot.
Kong'onyot ko agenge nebo taritik che endangered eng emet ak kenyoru kityo missing eng Nandi yu ak komoswek che ng'ering. So kimache kesom kele ngetestai kerib tarityani ongerib kong'onyot sikoribwech environment sikoribwech climatic changes. Yekirib kong'onyot ko kingen tugul kele kong'onyot kochame ole mi kondametutab beek, chame ole swampy, ole marshy, ole mi beek. ko yo kiribe yundo keribe ako wetlands.
Scholar Tuwe ko CC nebo culture eng county nebo Nandi ne kamwa kole kongonyot ko taritiet agenge nekiyonye tuguk chemiachen ako chelibwoben.
Kelechini lagok kangochit ko ane chepchumba alen kemutu lakwet ngongonyot aleji lagok chun koitu lagat kongonyot lakwet ko kikongonyondoni ko kikiyonye lagok kele konu inendet sobet. Ikere le kongonyot ko kongonyot ko libwok, kongonyot ko kararan, kongonyot ko lalang. Ko kingomong konyo kongete Mount Elgon ko kiisub ole mi beek konyo Lake Victoria ini konyo Yala River ak nyokwo akoi Aldai. Ko kitun atebe akoi age kolecho kinyokwo akoi Terikyun ole kilen Kapsengere. Nyemite yotok nyokomong nyokotokosta akoi nin Balesos. Ak nyep konyo yotok inyokonyo akoi Chesumei. Ko ngiker Chesumei mising ko chang ng'ung'onyik. Kekure Chesumeek. Mite bororieshek chok chebo Nandi tugul. Asome obwa ing betunotok sinyokeker tugul festival nenyo nebo ng'ung'onyot.
Kongonyot kora ko agenge eng tiong'ik che kikiboisie eng kabarunetab kei eng kasarwekab igorwek che terter mising ko chebo koiwek kou eng karoretab Joseph Arap Tek ne agenge eng boiyotab kaburwo Council of Elders.
Kikimwoe yo kimeche keba koe kelen kibo tiondo kotep kole tiondo ak oret koter. Bororiet koter, tiondo ko ki age, ko kou notok ko kebo tiondo notok kakimwa. Ko anyun kibendi kechenge oret nekiribe asimabetyo. Ko amu kikelachat achek kebo tionyotok kesome tionyotok kabisa. Kot ko makiwire, kot ko makilech ngosirto kikoti ak kelechini oba nemie ko kimakelache ak kimakewire nga kikilagoi ko kikinai kele nenyo tionyoto. Ko anyun kimeche kerib komie. Kimeche ketinye kiy neiboru nekirutyin ngoriet, kirutyin kotit nebo sut na kerutyin kiyai asikobit kiboru kele kibo kong'onyondo.
Tarehe 19 kutakuwa na mashindano, kutakuwa na group activities, kutakuwa na cultural dance, kutakuwa na wimbo, kutakuwa na games, mambo tofauti ya mchezo ya kufurahisha watu. Tarehe 20 itakuwa ni kilele ambaye tutakuwa na wakubwa kutoka serikali, kutoka national government, kutoka county government na sisi pia ili tuweze kuongea na kuhimiza watu juu ya hizi ndege.
Kong'ete taonitab Kapsabet eng county nebo Nandi, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Cornelius Keter.
Kakokon kayamiset MP nebo Bomet East Richard Yegon eng meng'ikab komasata kole eng kasarta nenwach kebendi kesuldae teksetab ortinwek chebo lamit chetesetai eng sub-county nebo Bomet East eng oret nenyalunot. Kamwa Yegon kole kikong'emak komaswek cheterter eng oretab Tenwek, Merige akoi Chemengwa kasarta nenwach kong'ete Ngorok Tesenwa.
Kakokimit MP nebo Bomet East Richard Yegon kole nyolu en kontraktaek koker kole kaisub ng'atutik chebo teksetab oratinwek asikistoengei cheng'emoksei oratinwek en kasarta nenwach kokakiwong kokakitech. Niton ko kosubkei ak ne en chong'indab oratinwek kong'emoksei en chokyinet mising ko oretab Meriki, kit nekamwa Yegon kole ibchin komonut noton ak kokosimchi kontraktaek koker kole kaisub ng'atutik chebo teksetab oratinwek.
Ko kamoche amwa ale noker iman kong'ete Tenwek akebwa akoi Merikiro yono akot akoi kebwa akoi Chemengwa ireu ko kibit potholes che ana koyat kora repairente contractor. Oin ko kikikochi kelenji kimoche kitaketeste quality nebo barabara. Ako noker nguni kyokere besio oin kinyokebimoni besio en ireu kele ngwany kobiman the inches chekimoche. Ngunon there is around kikichobe ukinye 4 inches lakini kokitesi 0.05. So I'm telling you this is or 0.5. So 4 inches and 5, 45 inches or something like that. Is it, let's say 4.5, something like that, 4.5 inches. So koni kama amwale ogere quality nebo kongeten yon kokichoben akoi ireyu kimiten nguni ole tofauti, even the thickness ogere ole kararan.
Kong'ololi ine Kabaruso en Bomet East kasarta nekatoigei teksetab oret kong'eten Kabaruso akoi Chemaner, nekamwa ine kole en kasarta nebo kenyisiek 2 kowong'ugei teksonotok.
Launching ini ko what I did was kikosomanata group nenyokoyoe lam koker nebo tekat akwo Chemaner akolanda olimbo Masai. Ko lucky enough ko amwoni kongoi Kiptayat amun koyaa kou noton. Ko nikakiyoe raini ko kakinome kele kinyokeyai lam kong'eten ireyu akotestai koker tekat. Ko nikakinam raini kong'eten tomorrow okere mashinisiek kotesetai kouni kokere kotesetai. Ko reduceni ng'alekab keyai barabarani kwa nusu nekatoyoe. Ngamun kokiborchinigei keker kele kanyolu keyai korok orani kokere ndakobune the speed nekobune kong'eten oin ko kototokotesetai konekit up to nekit 8 years chemiten taa. Lakini amache amwa ale en inguni amun kokites karisiek kochang'a ko reducenose within 2 years ko kaketar all these projects. That is as per the plan nekoko serikali kole lazima kochokyi bichuton. Etiosiek en across this stretch nebo 75 kilometers ko etiosiek chemiten kou Chemaner ko 2 ketesyi agenge nemiten somok 4 5 6 etiosiek 6 Kapkimolwon mi Kiptulwo oeng ireyono Koilongisa ak nomiten ngweny ireyu ak nemiten Matecha ak nomiten nemiten Isei en yumbo Chemaner kikuren yumbo Makitu ireyono. So those are 6 bridges chekichobe en inguni ako kichobe to the standard nombo barabarosiek chebo tarmac.
Kora komwa ine kole wendi teksetab oratinwek choton koibu walet en komosotok missing ko en kanaptaetab uchumi nebo Bomet East.
Koi kelchin neng'wong'et oboisien inguni sikong'et osich faida en biashara ak tuguk chemiten tugul en mbarenokwek asi kotoret akot ng'alekab kolipan school fees ko kakoik rahisi en sigik chechang. Icheru kityo kobwa barabara yu akolabaten kowek kokakoit ndonyo akowek akonyo kotoreten biashara nekotinye.
Kong'eten county nebo Bomet, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyun ko Festus Rono.
Kakomwa CS nebo itonwekab emet Deborah Baraza kole kokotet serikali kokol ketik chesire 4 million ko agenge eng tetutik chetokchingei ripsetab Mau.
The Mau complex faces grave threats: illegal logging, unsustainable land use, encroachment and climate change. If left unchecked, these pressures will undermine our water security, food production, biodiversity, and the resilience of our local communities. My desire, therefore, is to co-create and lead conservation efforts in Mau Forest Complex, which I take it with pride and taking also as a responsibility for myself as the PS responsible for environment and climate change. And in my capacity as a patron, I have co-created with various development partners, private sector, NGOs, conservation stakeholders, local communities, and the media a 10-year bold, ambitious, and transformative program dubbed the Mau Forest Complex Integrated Conservation and Livelihood Improvement Program, MFC ICLIP, under the clarion call Linda Mau Boresha Maisha. I wish to emphasize that this program is a collaborative initiative stemming from a deep desire to restore our community's ecosystem. It is a game-changing legacy initiative and a model for the rest of the country that integration of forest restoration and livelihood improvement can be done. This program aligns with the Kenya's National Determinant Contributor NDCs, the National Climate Change Action Plan 2023-2027, the 15 billion tree growing initiative, the SDG. The MFC CLIP aims to deliver ambitious targets. The first edition will be launched on the 24th of October 2025, and we are aiming to restore 3,313 hectares of degraded forest with approximately 4 million tree seedlings.
Where did we go wrong? It is now not a blame game to anyone else. All of us unite for this purpose. There is a lot of challenge, but united we are going to make it.
We have pledged 2 milk coolers for cooperatives within the Mau ecosystem to ensure that we can get them out of the forest. So we will also, through our State Department of Livestock Development in the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development, also be donating a few thousands of beehives for the communities around the Mau, and that again will help us enhance our honey value chain.
Chitap Kalenzinga gitukchota kaimetab logoiwek chok chebo emet eng tetutietab kas mashinani ole wendi kenyoru logoiyat sineketuye eng logoiwekab emet.